Hello, my YouTube friends. I'm so happy to be with you all today. Beautiful sun. We just got a rain. God gave us a beautiful rain last night. I'm so happy. Today we're going to show you two of the most beautiful bush flowers I've ever seen in my life. We received these L.A Dreamin Hydrangeas from Michigan Evergreen Nursery. And the head of it's John Bacali. And it's been in his families for now 3 generations, and they've been friend of our family for 4 generations. And it's got a beautiful, beautiful story tied to it. In 1999, John and Becky lost 11-year-old daughter, Lindsay Ann. She went on a hay rack ride for the church. And what really is amazing to me, a vehicle come behind them, hit them, hurt a bunch of children. And when the EMTs got there, Lindsay was around helping all the other children that were in a lot of pain. And one of the workers, the EMT workers, seeing that something was wrong with Lindsay, and they told her, "You really need to lay down." And she said, "No, I'm fine. Just help all these other kids is hurting." So they finally made her lay down, and they rushed her to the hospital. And on the way to the hospital, she told the EMT she's getting really sleepy. Well, she went to sleep and never woke up. So the reason why I'm telling you this story is because some people think you believe in the Lord, nothing will ever happen to you. She was a leader for the Lord and on a church hayrack ride. But I believe, because of a past experience my wife and I had, that the Lord takes children earlier because he has a great need for them doing something. But I won't go into that now. But just because you're a Christian, you love the Lord, and Satan can also do stuff to make you turn away from the Lord. But this made him stronger, closer to Christ, depend more on God, honor God. And that's the reason why I want to do this video. And how it got started, John Bacali Jr. was driving along, and he seen in his neighbor's yard a multicolored hydrangea. Never seen one before, never knew they existed. So he asked the lady if he could take a cutting, and he did. He took the cuttings off of it. And the next year, hers died. Not because of the cuttings, just because they died. So now he had cuttings, and it took him 10 years to keep doing this until he got this tricolored hydrangea. They're going to be a tricolor regardless of what you do with it. But if your soil is a little more acid or a little more alkaline, the shades might be a little different. And another wonderful thing for them is they'll bloom from summer to all fall. Now, folks, this is a brand new growth here, as you can see, and it's got a flower on it. And this here was trimmed, and this growth here will have a flower on it. Every one of them will have a big, beautiful flower on them. So you have beautiful flowers all summer long. And after all the beauty, they're not much trouble. Once you get them planted in the ground, watered good, keep them watered good, get them growing, they're not much trouble. They're worry-free. Once you get them growing and you get them going, but they're so beautiful. And what a wonderful story that's tied with this. I'll name a few places you can get them, and this is just a few. And I got stuff wrote down here. Baumgars, Jung Seed, Hy-Vee, Home Depot. Otherwise, you can go search for L.A Dreamin, and it should come up. And folks, I just want to tell you what a wonderful, beautiful family this is, and what a terrible tragedy. But I think this is a blessing that come out of that. You know, the Lord always leaves a blessing. We can't always understand it. We don't know what he knows. Our thoughts are not as high as his thoughts, but God is good. And one day they'll join her in heaven, like we'll join all of our loved ones. So that's what kept them going. They know they didn't lose her. They know she just kind of like on a vacation, and they'll rejoin her later. It's a very very moving story. He's a good friend, good godly people. And we'd like to ask you if you would go to your local nursery and buy a hydrangea, and I'll show you the name of it so you remember. It's right here. It's called L.A Dreamin, and that stands for Lindsay Am, and be a part of the Bacali family and our family, Poopa's Farm. So we'll go over a little bit more in our next video. We're going to plant them. We'll explain some things to you. So just follow along with us, and we'll catch you next time and explain it all to you. Thank you very much, and may God bless and take care of each and every one of you.